Okay, friends, so we already went through this once together, and I kind of told you about the different words and the meanings of the words, and we practiced using our lasso power together, and this time I want you to try to read them by yourself, and I want you to see if you can figure out what this word says using your sound power before I say it. And if you really want to challenge yourself, you could use one hand to don't touch the screen, but just cover up the pictures. That way you can only see the letters. And you could do this to challenge yourself to see if you can use your sound power extra well. All right, here we go. I'm going to start reading. Blab. Did you beat me? Did you say it before me? Next one. Bleed. Blip. Clap. Clam. Cliff. Clip. Club. Glad. Glen. Glob. Glum. Flag. Fled. Flip. Flock. Plop. Plum. Slot. Slap. Sled. Slip. Slop. Slug. Brad. Brim. Brush. Crab. Crib. Crop. Drag. Dress. Drip. Drop. Oh, you're getting so good at reading these using your sound power. Drum. Fred. Frill. Frog. Grab. Greg. Grill. Press. Trap. Tram. Swim. Twig. Twin. Trim. Skid. Skin. Skip. Scum. Spin. Spill. Stem. Snip. Nice job.